Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be solving a jigsaw puzzle. I will be solving this puzzle in support of the Black Lives Matter movement. For this jigsaw puzzle, we will be solving it online through Puzzle Explorer. I will have a link in the description if you want to check it out. Without further ado, let's start solving the puzzle. The Black Lives Matter movement began in the USA in the year 2013. It was a movement made to stop human inequality in the US. Black Lives Matter movement got a huge uproar in the US after the tragic death of George Floyd in Minneapolis, USA. It has been estimated that over 5 million people have participated in the protests around the US. This makes Black Lives Matter one of the largest movements in the history of the world. The equality of all people in the US is a big significance in doing BLM protests. Because of this, people from around the world have been supporting the Black Lives Matter movement. Among all of this fighting and movements, we hope that one day everyone will be treated equally, no matter what their skin color and race, financial status, and irrespective of any sorts of physical rules. If you guys like the content you're seeing here on this channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell button. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!